Unahin natin sa medyo kontrobersyal na tanong. May problema po ba ang prosecution sa klase ng pagtatanong ng magkapatid na Cayetano? Actually, may example tayo diyan kahapon. Mukhang nasopla kayo ni Senator Judge Pia Cayetano. O it's all in a day's work? Parte ng buhay yan?
Well, it usually happen in all court proceedings, no? Yun lang, sana nabibigyan ng opportunity both parties, hindi na lang prosecution, to explain, justify. Because what I understand, yung pagtatanong ng senator judges, they are supposed to be clarificatory questions, no? To shed light kung saan man merong mga malalabo pa na parte o bahagi ng presentasyon ng ating mga testigo. So, the parties, I think, with all due respect sa kanila, should be given ample opportunity to express, explain, justify their position. No? After all, we are not witnesses. We are prosecutors, party to that case. No? In the same way that the defense, in case meron silang subject matter ng clarificatory question, must be given opportunity also to explain. Mahirap naman yung tatanungin ka by yes or no lang, no? Because we are representing the institution, the House of Representatives. We are representing the people of the Philippines. We really need to be given opportunity to explain.
Apo, so do you feel na parang nagsushow ng bias si Senator Judge Pia Cayetano against the prosecution o hindi naman?
That is a conclusion of fact, Your Honor.
And that's why I'm asking you, Madam Lead Prosecutor.
I wish to express my faith and confidence sa lahat ng senator judges, no? Especially now na pending ang impeachment trial before the impeachment court, no? Enough na sa akin yung na-express ko na I hope that all parties will be given opportunity to explain their position. Hindi yung simple na yes or no lang dapat ang isinasagot, no? Of course, we're willing to answer all the questions, pero it will be really hard if we will not be able to justify whatever answer or position we have.
Okay.
About your question, that is self-incriminating, Your Honor.
Akala ko lang matapang-tapang ka to answer. So, hayaan na muna natin yan. Ano? Ang pinapanawagan lang ng prosecution is to be fair, yung mga judges po natin.
Yeah. Fair in the sense na bigyan ng pagkakataong magpaliwanag.
Apo. And speaking of judges, isa rin po kayo parang nahuli kayo ng camera kahapon nung sinabi ni Senator Judge, yung isa pang judge, na dapat hindi kayo one-sided, Congresswoman.
Because nagulat talaga ako.
Ba't ka nagulat? Ano ka gulat-gulat dun?
Because all cases are adversarial, no? Merong magkalaban na party. We have the prosecution and the defense. And in all adversarial proceeding, it is naturally anticipated na bias. Bias talaga. We are biased for the prosecution and the defense is biased for the defense. Because that is our task. Ang prosecution ay may mandato to establish the case, no? So apparently biased kami to our favor. The defense, it is presumed, implied that they are tasked to prove the innocence of the respondent. So biased din sila to their favor, no? So nakakagulat yung maging one-sided ang prosecution because ang natural situation is we are biased to our side. And mas nakakagulat, Alvin, kung magiging neutral kami. At lalong mas nakakagulat if we will be defending the respondent, no? Because that will be inconsistent to our position. And not only in the impeachment trial, in all court proceeding na may magkalaban, kahit pa nga sa barangay yan, na level, no? Talagang adversarial dahil palaging may complainant at merong nagrereklamo at may inirereklamo. Kaya they're biased towards their respective position.
So I guess the problem...
But that is with all due respect sa ating mga kasama sa impeachment court who may be believing otherwise, no?
So I guess the issue now is, may problema ba tayo kung ang isang senator judge ay hindi pala malinaw sa kanya kung ano ang papel ng kada isa? Kasi kini-question the fact na kini-question niya at may appeal siya na hindi maging bias, ibig sabihin, ang understanding niya ay hindi kayo dapat one-sided.
Self-incriminating, Your Honor.
Wala akong makuha-kuhang magandang matapang-tapang na soundbite kay akala ko pa naman matapang ito. Hindi, pero seriously speaking, may problema ba ang prosecution kung ganyan ang pag-iisip ng isang senator judge o wala kayong magawa, senator judge siya eh?
Yeah, that is exactly the situation, no? Sila yung senator judges and we are the counsels, no? And even in ordinary court, talagang pagdating sa loob ng korte, ang powerful ay ang mga judges, no? But nevertheless, I hope that the reaction of the people, kasi nakita ko how serious the reaction was to that remark, no? I hope that will be enough for our senator judges to understand the nature of the impeachment proceeding, no? That we're not supposed to be neutral. It is natural that we are biased.
Siguro ang bakang ibig nila sabihin, ma'am, is for you to be fair, no? Baka yun ang bigyan natin siya ng benefit of the doubt. Baka nagkamali lang ng salitang, yung choice of words, Congresswoman.
Well, that would be fair enough to give him the benefit of the doubt, no? If ever meron ditong dapat maging neutral, dapat hindi one-sided, let us remind our beloved countrymen, yun po yung mga senator judges na dapat nasa gitna lang sila, no? For the prosecution and the defense, it is natural that they are biased because they have their respective positions. But for the senator judges, maliwanag po yan, ang mandato is political neutrality. Ibig sabihin, wala kayong kikilingan, regardless of your political affiliation, sa gitna lang tayo, and the decision should be based on evidence.
Or kahit appearance man lang, for the sake of the court, no?
What do you mean appearance?
Yung ibig sabihin, hindi masyadong halata, ay alam naman natin kung sino, hindi huma, kung sabagay, hindi pala pwedeng magsalita ang lead prosecutor, baka madali ng impeachment court.
At sa akin naman ay isang paglilinaw lang sa ating mga kababayan because as we have consistently emphasized, no, this is a constitutional process. Ang nire-represent ng prosecution is the interest of the Filipino people and they have the right to know what is happening in the impeachment trial. Importante din, malaman ng taong bayan, ng ating mga kababayan, ang prosecution po kami ay biased towards pagpapatunay ng kaso ng impeachment case at ang depensa po ay biased towards patunayan ang innocence ng respondent.
Sige,
samantalang ang mga senator judges po ay dapat neutral, dapat ay walang kikilingan at yan po yung tinatawag sa kanilang Senate Rules on Impeachment na political neutrality. Ang kanilang desisyon, whether to convict or to acquit, should be based on the evidence presented before the impeachment.